Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for the love. Enjoy the video.
And today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a valve cover gasket and replace the valve cover seal on a 1999 Ford Escort ZX2 with a 2.2 liter motor. What we have here is the Ford 2.2 VCT engine. The VCT stands for variable cam timing. Now, what you see here is the valve cover, which is held down by 11 8mm bolts. Now, there's one in the corner right here that has a long stud on it, so we'll be using the deep well 8mm socket for that. You will notice that you have a few more steps that you need to take before removing the valve cover, and that is removing your PCV valve, which is right here, which I have already removed. This is your PCV valve. You have 4 spark plug boots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and last, your timing cover, which is held down by 3 8mm bolts. One here, one hidden down at the bottom of the cover, and you have one here. Those 3 steps will help you completely remove your valve cover. Now, if you'll notice, we have our 4 spark plug boots out of the way, our PCV valve out of the way. I've gently pushed aside the throttle cable just to get it out of our way, and I've also removed the timing belt cover. Now that all the bolts have been loosened, all you have to do is just gently pull up on the valve cover. Now myself, I don't like to remove the bolts because there's really no need to. They have quite a depth to them, so they can just be kept in the holes. And then there you go. Your valve cover is removed. Now that you have the valve cover removed, you can clean the area. You can scrub off the old valve cover gasket seal with a knife, razor, or anything that's reasonable if you don't have certain tools at your disposal. And now you may also remove the old gasket. If yours is old, this one is not, so we won't be replacing this. But if any case, if yours is old, you can replace it. Now, we can put everything back the way it was. As you can see, everything is back in order the way it should be. We have our timing cover, our valve cover, and our PCV valve all back in place where they belong.